everybody to Carol's Art Room. I'm going to go over this tile. I'm not fond of it. It's a larger tile. I'm going to do a blue with some red and blue only with gold. Okay. I have to put this red on the bottom because it's opaque. Which one is it? It's this Carmine Red. And I'll put some ultramarine blue by Behr. I haven't used ultramarine blue for a while, but I'm loving it. I love it. This one's medium red by Amsterdam. It's a little bit lighter red. Manganese blue by Amsterdam. This one has a lot of air bubbles, so I had to stir it quite a bit. I guess I'm putting gold on top. This is iridescent gold by Behr. It's a pretty gold. This one and 24 karat are my favorite. Okay, let's try this. Oh, don't like that. Well, I can tip most of it off, hopefully. Oh, silly, silly me. Get this middle moving. I'm gonna go right over to the edge. This is turning into a deconstructed bloom. Well, I guess all that's not coming off. Should I do a new one? I don't like it. I don't like it. I won't put I know it's a lot of paint that I'm throwing away, but I'm gonna put this Carmine red on top because it's opaque. Let's try something new. I'm gonna put this other red on the bottom. I like putting opaque on the bottom or the top. It's ultramarine blue. I'll put some gold. It's the Amsterdam Manganese blue. And this is the, it's a little bit thick, Carmine red. So I added some more water. I have water and varnish mixed up that I use to thin my paints. And I'm not going to use the attachment this time. Well, this is going to be different. Well, I did get some white. Well, I'll wait and see what it looks like when it comes together. Oh, there's quite a large one in the middle there. It's very pretty. It's coming together, see? Sometimes I don't like it, and then I do like it. Well, let's spin her out. I like the color combination in this one. It's very pretty. That red is so vibrant. Oh, look at that. Save some of this paint. And then it won't splash all over me. The gold in the middle turned a little bit green. It's cool. Let's see if it moves. I think we're pretty good. Okay. It's very dark in the middle, but it's gonna look better when it's dry. It's very pretty. Thanks for watching. I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Have a great day, everybody. Hi, everyone. It's my dried tile. All those pretty cells, the pretty colors. Thanks for watching and have a good day.